What fascinates me about Alpha Bank's FinQuest is the dreams, the participants' excitements, the fact that they envision their ideas and they even leave the safety of a multinational or a local company and they invest their time or even their money to chase their dreams.
Is an experience that elevates knowledge sharing and brings us closer to game-changing solutions.
The essence of Alpha Bank's vision for customer service is all about digital self-service with a human face. We aspire to digitally enable our clients for convenience, anytime, any place, speed and simplicity across service channels. Such a vision calls for out-of-the-box ideas and innovative approaches that we typically encounter at the FinQuest competitions every year and their amazing teams.
FinQuest is a great opportunity for Alpha Bank to come closer to emerging startups offering innovative solutions and drive its own digital transformation forward.
As a participant in FinQuest by Alpha Bank, I had the pleasure to collaborate and mentor a talented team with an impressive vision of the future and of how technology can be part of it and reshape it.
The way that the program has been set up, the frequent interactions, the great facilitation from the organizers have all made it for an excellent experience from my point of view and hopefully from the perspective of the teams that are participating as well.
We are an innovative startup in the financial sector, so we knew that Alpha Bank could help us tremendously. We are talking about a bank with great capabilities, from digital processes and state-of-the-art technology to loans and credit risk modeling.
FinQuest was a very insightful and rewarding experience that allowed us to consider different aspects of our proposition and its applicability to the banking sector.
Exposing the local banking ecosystem to new ideas, concepts and potential fintech partners, FinQuest enables the local sector to at least explore incorporating innovation.
What's great about this program is that it's a win-win for both. I think FinQuest is a great initiative, both towards enabling and also accelerating innovation in the banking sector.
From day one, up to the pitching event, everything was well organized and centered around the participants. The best part was our weekly meetings with our 4 mentors. Everyone came from a very diverse background, which helped us get well-rounded feedback and insights on what we do, during the program, but even afterwards.